Hello, no coders. I'm back. I know what you're thinking. 2 videos, 1 week. What's happening? This is going to be the norm from now on, so buckle in. Today, I'm actually back to show you guys how to take the Notion pricing page that we built in our last video and apply minimum quantity limits to these 2 last tiers. So let's just jump into it. In order to do that, we're going to have to go into our ServiceBot dashboard and select the exact pricing page that we built to embed this baby right here. So in my case, that is the Notion pricing. So I'm going to go into that and I'm going to scroll all the way down to our checkout settings. From here, I'm going to scroll down to where I see this toggle that says let customer select quantity. Now if you recall, in the last video we set our step as 1, meaning that when a user goes to update the quantity in the checkout form, so right here, when they click this update, it's going to increase by increments of 1. And we set our minimum to 1 user. But what if we don't want to allow just anyone to use the team plan or the enterprise plan? What if we want to only allow those 2 tiers for a plan or a team that has a minimum of, say, 5 members? That's easy. All we have to do is come here to where it says minimum and set that to 5. So now, when we go to check out a team plan, for example, we see that the minimum quantity that it shows us is 5. And if we go to update, we can't go any lower than that, but we can go higher. You can also set a max so that you don't allow any team larger than, say, like 20 members to use your team and enterprise plan. So that was easy, right? So we're going to save this. We're going to go back to our pricing page, scroll down, and let's say I want to purchase a team plan. Select plan, and right away we see that the change that we just saved in ServiceBot has been applied to our live pricing page. How amazing is that? Now let's test it out. Select update. Perfect. It doesn't go below 5 members. So 5 members is the minimum that I can pay. Let's confirm. Fill out the rest of the form and confirm. Okay, so we get our success message. Let's jump into Stripe to see if that payment actually went through. Go to your Customers tab, and there we have it, you guys. The test account that I just created shows that this user with this email just checked out a team plan with the minimum of 5 members and paid $40. That's going to be recurring. So easy. I cannot stress this enough. If you have a SaaS or a business that requires you to charge your members or your users on a monthly basis, this is what you want to do. You no longer have to go back and forth between your design platform and your billing platform and make sure that everything is working in sync. You change it in Stripe, that's your single source of truth, and then it gets applied across the board. Easy as that. That's it. That's all I had to say. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you have any recommendations for future videos. I would love to hear your thoughts. As always, happy no coding. Until next time. See you guys later. Bye.